My favourite song right now. It's by one of my favourite bands, and that's the 1975. So this is the sound, and I hope everyone gets involved. You hear that beat coming in? Hey! I know the sound, I know the sound of your heart. Sing along, come on! Into your heart. 1, 2, 3. When I know when you're around, 'cause I know the sound, I know the sound of your heart. When I know when you're around, 'cause I know the sound, I know the sound of your heart. Can't believe I forgot your name. Oh baby, won't you come again? She said I got a problem with your tunes and your shoes, but I'm not. Now I'm wondering, hey, you're so conceited. Said I don't love it. What does it matter if I like to you? I don't regret it, but I'm glad you were through. So don't you tell me that you just don't get it, 'cause I know you do. I know when you're around, 'cause I know the sound, I know the sound of your heart. Love that jump. When I know when you're around, 'cause I know the sound, I know the sound of your heart. It's not about reciprocation, it's just all about me. You're sympathetic, Socratic, necrotic, junk you wanna be. And there's someone skin to see. A simple Epicurean philosophy. Oh, when you say I'm such a cliche, I don't see the difference in either way. And we never things to protect my mental health, but you call me when you're born and you're big. You're so conceited, said I don't love it. What does it matter if I like you? I don't regret it, but I'm glad you're free. So don't you tell me that you just don't get it, 'cause I know you do. Know when you're around, 'cause I know the sound, I know the sound of your heart. Say, and then let's say winning. Let's say just one of us here say winning. And when whoa, I do. And when well, let's sing all together now, right? You're gonna repeat after me. Everything I sing, you're gonna sing it back to me, okay? Can you do that? Can you do that, Kieran? Well, let's try it. Whoa. Say whoa. Say 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 whoa. Thank you so much, everyone. You've been absolutely amazing. Thank you for coming out tonight. It means the world to me. Wow. Thank you.